So, we this might look a little different, and that's because as soon as I ended part 2, my game crashed, and I hadn't saved for a while, so we had to go through all of that again, and,
Go on, go
oh, hey,
here.
Calvin. We had to go through all of that again and
Tradesman.
start fixing stuff. But, yeah, we're finally catching back up.
There we go.
We also,
Should I make the doorway somewhere? Where should I make the doorway?
we went exploring
Right at the
again,
dead
and,
center. Right here.
we found
Right here, this
more
one?
stuff,
Yeah.
like,
Okay.
Why is this
a lot of
in here?
flares, flashlight, a modern axe, a lot of
Yeah.
tarps.
This is how you make it, right?
A lot.
Yes. Don't mind the duplication glitch over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't mind the
Ow.
duplication glitch.
I'm sorry.
Oh, come on, man. Already taking a break. He picked up, what, 4 logs?
I mean, at least he did something.
Classic,
At least he did
classic
something, yeah.
Kelvin.
Clevin.
Clevin, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Clevin's the lazy one. Kelvin's the helpful one.
Yeah.
Yeah, classic Kelvin.
Makes sense. That makes very much sense.
A lot of sense.
Yeah, he's actually being a Kelvin, not a Clevin.
Yeah. Probably because
Wait,
he's
why
got
doesn't
that
this
food.
an actual
And he's
person
taking a
named
break.
Clevin?
It's fine.
It's fine, he
fine.
deserves it. He deserves
Someone
it.
named Clevin watching your video.
Hi, Clevin. Or he's technically Kelvin. Yeah, if he takes a break for too long, though,
Then he's
Someone
Clevin.
then he's
named
definitely Clevin.
Clevin is watching your videos.
That'd be hilarious.
I doubt there's
just calling him
many
Clevin
people
when
out in the
he-
U.S. named Clevin.
And
Yeah.
Cannibal.
Where?
oh, I see him.
Right
Yeah.
here.
Wait,
It's a golden
Kelvin.
face. It's a golden
Oh
face.
God, I'm getting my gun.
Kelvin, just keep collecting logs. Kelvin, don't look back. Kelvin, don't look back.
Jesus Christ, I'm okay.
Kelvin,
I
no,
wanna
don't
use
go
too
that
much-
way, Kelvin. Kelvin, don't go that way. Yeah, I see him.
We did it, guys. We did it.
Look.
He's dead. He's dead.
Okay.
I shot him. I had the final blow.
Yeah.
That's
Maybe we can
too-
make
that's
Clevin a
too
house.
bad.
Guys, you want to make
Well,
Clevin a tiny house?
he's gotta live with us.
Why?
Can make a little doghouse for him.
Is that a Chinese spy balloon?
Why are these not? I can't
Where?
spike these ones for some reason. Oh,
I
got
gotta
that
get a closer look.
Hayden, how are you not done
Oh.
upstairs?
Because
Nice.
I've got to do other stuff too.
Angle.
Add walls so I can actually have the floor go up to the second floor, possibly.
That one's not going.
Ayo.
Good job, Calvin.
Why does Kelvin get to take breaks, but I can't?
You're being bad.
I actually need to drink
Calvin,
water.
he's working
And go
hard.
drink water.
Dying because of
Go
So
drink
go
water.
get a drink of water.
why? I thought I wasn't allowed.
I never
Yes, you
said
are.
you couldn't.
Yeah, we never said you weren't allowed to go
Go
get water.
Just go get a drink of water. I'm gonna go get a drink too.
Just don't drink for too long.
Because then you'll get drunk and then you'll turn into a wife beater.
Like me.
What? See, that's not
What?
something you want to say in a video.
What?
That's not like canceled right there.
What?
Hashtag canceled.
No.
Bye bye, Sydney.
No.
The
Bye-bye.
YouTube grind ain't for all of us.
Can I,
Especially
like-
for wife beaters.
No. I swear, if I upload this video and somebody reports it to the devs, they going down.
No, it's
Oh
probably
my
already
God.
been reported.
It's spreading.
Yeah,
Guys,
probably.
it's
And well,
spreading.
if anybody's found it, I mean,
There's
Hayden
nothing there.
got really lucky finding it. Yeah, I'll be fine if it gets reported to the devs, though. I mean, like, it needs
No,
to
it
get
probably
fixed at
already
some point.
has.
I know, but
Why?
like, if it hasn't, is what I'm saying.
Oh.
Like, it'll be fine, because, I mean, it
We've
needs to get
already
patched
used
at
it.
some point, and we've already used
Fine,
it.
start
so-
burning the walls to the house.
We're just drowning in wood.
Yeah. Oh my.
Kelvin!
How'd so much wood appear in such a short amount of time?
I have no clue. It's not like deforestation, is it? Oh,
The
wait, you're
opposite
doing
of
that?
deforestation.
Yeah, we're just-
Finish.
Give me one.
We're a reforestation, except there's no trees. It's just logs. But that means we don't have to cut down the trees. So we're saving the environment.
Okay, you guys can start using those logs over there.
Oh, it's Virginia. Calvin,
Everybody, weapons.
Go look at your
weapons not
girlfriend.
out.
and don't approach her. Well, you can approach her, but not that much. Let her approach you.
And you can stop.
No.
She's approaching you, Sydney.
No, Lynn, I'm
That's
duplicating
not
right
me.
now.
You ain't take my lucky
Oh wait, no,
ball.
she is coming towards me.
No, Lynn, I'm
Calvin.
duplicating inside the walls.
He's
My lucky-
He's rammed a log into her head.
Just no.
Hello.
Landon.
Landon.
No.
She's
Don't-
scared of him.
Her, the woman.
Landon.
No, he didn't
What
do
did I
anything.
do?
He didn't do anything. She just runs away.
No, it's because
And it could have also been
Calvin
because of
went up
Kelvin.
like this.
Kelvin might have done it.
See? Now we don't have to run as far.
What the hell are you doing?
Ooh.
Kelvin, I heard water noises coming from him.
He's a fish.
Maybe.
He's a mermaid.
I've always wanted to be a mermaid. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay,
Yeah,
bud.
okay, Hayden.
Okay.
Yeah,
just-
sure.
We all know yeah, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And the only
that's a
reason
good thing.
it crashed last time was because I kind of exited it, so I could stop the recording, and then it broke.
Where'd that one go?
So blame my channel. Why don't you?
Yeah, it's your guys' fault.
Yeah, it's the viewer's fault,
Yeah, it's the viewer's fault.
and to entertain
Hey,
them.
viewer watching right now,
It's
screw
your fault.
You.
Yeah,
Yeah, you,
it's all
you
your
messed it
fault.
up. It's all your fault.
You're so mean, Evan.
You know, it'd probably just be better if you stopped watching.
Yeah, just stop watching. We
Get
don't
out
want
of
you
here.
here.
Yeah, we don't want you.
Yeah.
We want you gone.
I'm too good for you.
Yeah, we're too good.
Not you, Evan.
Not you, Sydney.
Oh, not you. This is my channel.
And it's my.
It's your what? Huh?
It's my.
It's your.
It's my.
It's your.
It's my.
Yeah, that should be good. 'Cause it's on the other side of the rock.
Block on the-
Oh god, cannibals. And one of them's gold.
I'm on my way.
I
Well,
took
dude,
down the
you
logs, and
protect
that's all I
them. She's
saw.
gonna run if she sees that. Excuse
She's-
us?
She's walking in our wood pile. Oh,
Oh my
bye.
God. Bye.
Climb.
Yep, this is why we need to spike them.
Ugh.
Get
Get hit.
Dude, one of these guys has a meat face.
I'm throwing logs at him.
Oh, I have no stamina. I'm dead.
Got
I'm
him.
dead. I have no stamina.
Oh, no.
No.
Wait, I need to get my weapon. Bow.
Oh,
Hey, Mr. Goldface.
kill the gold face guy first.
I missed my shot. Headshot.
Headshot.
No, he's getting back up. He's getting back up. I shot him in the neck that time. There, come on, die now. He's getting up again. What the? What is this guy made out
I
of?
died. I died.
Okay, he's dead. He's dead. Oh my
Landon.
god. That
Oh,
was like 4 headshots too.
somebody. Oh,
I got you. I got you.
Evan's got you.
man, this meat
Thomas.
face person has a bone.
Can I? Where'd my arrow go? There it is.
Wow, there's so many dead bodies in here now.
This guy took. He took 4 arrows in the head. Well, 2 of them were in the neck. 2 arrows in the head, 2 in the neck. Then I think the neck does like the same amount of damage. So that's impressive.
Oh, there's Virginia. I found Virginia.
So she seems to be trusting us more, and because we have a shelter now.
And yeah, she doesn't want to be cold.
She knows winter's coming.
Yeah.
She's going away though. She's walking away.
She'll come back, don't worry. They always come back.
They always come back.
Yeah. Ladies always come back for Hayden. What are you doing,
No,
Landon?
for Kelvin, bro.
Landon,
The only
what
reason
are
she
you
wasn't
doing?
coming around before is because it was Clevin. Nobody likes Clevin. But now we got
Landon,
Kelvin.
what are you doing?
Lane, you don't have your walkie out.
Oh, Virginia's here. Don't approach Landon. You seem to scare ladies a lot.
Yeah,
Oh.
he scares ladies all the time. Yep, there she goes,
Yep.
running out our base.
Nah, he wasn't even doing anything. I think it's just because he's beating some wood or something.
Bye, Virginia.
Ooh, rope. She'll trust us soon enough.
Especially when it comes to winter, when she really needs
Yeah.
us.
Do you think we like angle these logs when we spike them?
Guys, I got a fish trap for us,
Nice.
so now we can have fish.
Yeah, there's a small animal trap
The second
outside
floor is
of
for
this
gardening
door
and
over here
storage.
where I am. Yeah, we're definitely
It's
gonna
for
need a garden.
gardening, you said?
Yeah, gardening
Yeah,
and
I'm actually gonna set up a
storage.
garden and start growing stuff right now because I have
Here.
a ton
We
of
should set
blueberry
it up
seeds
on
and
the-
stuff.
On the second floor, so
Yeah, I am.
there's on
Here,
the
I'm
other
gonna
side.
do a
It's
standing
not
planter.
inside. Right here.
That's nice. Look at that. Oh, you gotta get up a different way.
We need a wall for yeah,
Where do we get up?
right over here.
We need 18
Oh.
sticks.
Make sure it's not near the walls, because we still gotta add a whole third floor.
Oh,
Oh, that's true.
this is so cute. Oh, Virginia's back.
Yeah, we're good with
Look
this.
at what is she doing?
I don't know.
Do you guys see any
What
candles?
is that? I hope she didn't run into my small animal trap.
I don't see any cannibals. This is why we need a third floor, because I can barely see over the fence.
Or just get a watchtower.
Yeah, we can just get a watchtower on top of it.
I think a third floor would look nicer, though.
Well, yeah, but
We got duplication glitch. We don't need to worry about cutting down trees.
Second
Wait.
floor is done.
Evan. Sydney, like, you know that, like, the sound that Sydney was just making? Sydney did
Yeah.
that about 10 times in the first 4 minutes of the video I was editing.
Dang.
4 minutes! 10 times.
why? Why does that matter?
Because I was just thinking about it, okay?
Hey, give me that log. Give me that.
And come on, we need duplication.
Yeah, I need some logs.
Land and duplicate.
Keep on
That's how I'll do it.
duplicating. Ah, there we go.
That's how I'll do it.
Here, I'm gonna go help
Are you
Sydney
able to
on the wall.
duplicate? Like,
The wall's
duplicate?
almost done.
Alright,
Yeah, well,
you
that's where I'm
duplicate
gonna
this
help
'cause
you.
You're the fastest at it.
Okay.
How do you?
We also want to go as deep as we can to the ocean.
How do you?
Do you want me to do it?
There.
There you go.
Here, I'm just gonna sharpen them.
Yeah, same.
No, I got it. You just go.
Ow. Oh, maybe it didn't hurt me. I thought you did. Hey, who left their legs here?
That battle.
They look kind of like Landon's. Hayden, come here. I think Landon left his legs over here.
No,
Ow.
I think you did too. Landon, why are your legs over here?
Landon, you left your legs near the hunting shelter, whatever it's called.
Virginia really is coming around us more often, though.
It's
Mhm.
becoming closer to winter.
Yeah.
I
Luckily, we have winter jackets, but not Hayden, because I completely forgot where they are.
It's fine.
Did
That's why.
wait? Did Landon got the winter jacket too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you know what? It was in that one campsite near the waterfall. I remember now. You know that one campsite near the waterfall? I didn't get it on video though, since that was off
You were trying
camera.
to reset stuff.
Yeah.
Not reset.
Oh,
but
got meat pouch.
do stuff again.
Oh wait, I have one too. I never opened it.
Here, let's see. Cloth, snack, and wire.
Very good. Cloth, duct tape.
Oh no, that was just Landon tossing stuff.
Cannibal, heading to
Where?
our base. It's heading to our base. It's heading towards the
Where?
wall. It's heading directly
Which
for you,
way?
Sydney.
me?
Directly for Sydney.
Oh, I see it. I'm gonna use one of my logs. Hey, oi, where you at? Oh,
That's the only one.
okay then.
But they normally come in herds.
Is he alive?
No, he's dead. He's real dead.
Oh no, my trap.
Small animal.
No, my trap.
Oh.
Someone
yeah,
set it
no,
off.
It was not me.
You walked into it. Or it could have been a bug. Little fly.
A little fly. That's how good the trap is. A gust
Wait.
of wind will.
You're a
What?
little fly.
Thank you.
I didn't mean it as a compliment. Not that kind of fly.
Oh, there's Virginia. I'm just looking out for cannibals right now.
Yo, give me eyes. Oh, I see her. Okay. Ready? Aim.
Hey! Hey!
What?
Being
Hey!
able to
What?
duplicate.
Don't shoot her.
No. Did the fish trap get any fish?
Then we need you to duplicate, please.
Okay, this recording's been going on for a while. I think I'm gonna end it there. Right after saving, because I don't want this to crash.
Wait, everyone save. Everyone save.
Oh, yeah.
And we're gonna keep working on this afterwards. Just, I don't want to bore you guys with
Placing wall. Chop.
placing walls.
Wall,
Yeah,
chop.
and I'm probably not gonna edit it much, so. Okay, you guys save.
Landon, save. Landon. Save. Where's Landon?
He's over there.
Save.
He's duplicated.
I did.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Making sure.
Okay.
And
Hey, go
I'll
ahead.
see you guys in the next part.
Come on, please
Bye.
don't crash.